am presenting my
This call is
presentation.
now being recorded.
So,
This call is now being
let me
transcribed.
start.
This call is now taking
Good
notes.
evening, all. I would like to present my topic on role of veterinary science in developing of xenotransplantation. So, before going to the details, let me first say what is xenotransplantation. Xenotransplantation indicates the process of organ transplantation or tissue transplantation from non-human sources to a human. So in the second slide, you can see this is the history of xenotransplantation. The picture which is given in the left side is a picture which is come from the book present in the Wellcome Library of London, and this picture demonstrate how a French scientist or French doctor Jean B. Denis in the year 1667 tried to transplant blood from a sheep to a young boy. The boy survived as due to lack of development of science, only small amount of blood was transported and the allergic reaction was not so serious. But in the right side, you can see yearly I have mentioned the milestones where different type of achievements or discoveries or inventions have boost the topic of xenotransplantation. In the years around 1950s, the first human transplantation was successfully done between two twin sisters by exchanging the kidney. Then after that, the xenotransplantation concept was bloomed. But before these things goes, Indian mythology, in our mythology, we have also know how the xenotransplantation takes place by the concept of Lord Ganesh. As we all know, Lord Ganesh is our Ganesh, wisdom, god of wisdom, whose body is of a human, but the head is of an elephant. Body of a human, but the head is an elephant. So the concept of xenotransplantation is way back in our Indian mythology. But due to the lack of scientific development, this concept was not so much in trend until the year 2000s, because with the development of new genetic technology, new genes are being found, which becomes the barrier for xenotransplantation. Most of means one of the most important barrier for xenotransplantation is alpha 1 3 glycos galactose, alpha 1 3 galactose, which is present in the pig cells, and that prevent the transplantation of organs from pig. Actually, we can say that pig are the most suitable samples for organ transplantation from human, like from pig to human, because in comparison to other animals, pig DNA have 98% similarity in case of protein structures with human. Pig protein structures is nearly 98% similar to human. Now these are the different needs and availability of organ, because if we have sufficient amount of organ donor in human, so why we will go for unhuman resources? As you can see in the left upper corner, I have mentioned a table where it shows from the year 2018 to 2022 how much total transplantation of organ being taken place from human to human. But according to the research, we can also know that the human organ which is transplanted is far more less than the needed one. In the left side, you can see the actual need of kidney transplantation is 1,75,000, but available is only 5,000.
That's sir,
The actual need of,
please
yes,
be concise in introduction. Go to your
okay,
results.
okay, sir, thank you, sir. So this
Yeah,
is the transplantation,
what you
like
have done.
xenotransplantation concept needed. Now, if you see, these are the different images where we can find the parts of the pig which being used for xenotransplantation. And as I said earlier, the human gene or human protein have 98% similarity with the pig. Now, how the veterinary science can be helpful in xenotransplantation? As we know, pig is a livestock which is completely related with our veterinary science by improving the technologies we have, like animal welfare, immunity, rejection studies, transgenic transgenic animal development, and any other sources. We can produce hybrid pigs which have organs that are 100% similar with the human. there will be no difference between the organ of a pig and a human. This will help to increase the success rate to human pig transplantation, because
Time is
as we
over.
can
Your
see,
5 minutes are over. If you have any conclusion, go to directly to conclusion only.
sir, this is the conclusion part. This is the end part, because in the year
Yeah.
2022, we can find that the first successful human to means pig to human transplantation of heart was done by taking a patient of 57-year-old, but he survived only 60 days because due to infection in his body. And presently, our technology is being prevented due to ethical issues and many more cultural disadvantages. So I would like to conclude that if the xenotransplantation technology can be developed and the veterinary science can move out beyond the box, like not just livestock, not just pet, not just food, we should go beyond something our limitation, so that we can reach the target which is required to be donated by the human being, because one organ can be very valuable if it is
Okay,
saving a
okay,
person.
okay, okay. That's a. Is this your research? What you are doing in this?
Sir, I am just having this reviewing on this part. I have not
At,
completely
at
started
present,
on
at
any
present, at present, you are doing PG, PhD.
PhD, sir. I am doing PhD on plants. Actually, my background is on MSc Biotech, so I am doing research
Yeah,
on
yeah.
plant.
You can do the in your research. Okay, next, please.
Thank you so much, sir.
I want to announce one thing to you all, that whenever you start your presentation,